Hello everyone, welcome back to the Milano Secret Taste. You know by the title what we are cooking today. This dish is a deli egg, bacon and cheese on a roll that has been pastified, fancified, fetishized and turned into an Italian tradition that, like many inviolate Italian traditions, is actually far less old than the Mayflower. Because America may have contributed to its creation, carbonara is exhibit A in the back and forth between Italy and the United States when it comes to food. Remember, the main goal is creaminess. Our recipe will guide you through the do's and don'ts to make a carbonara just as they do in Rome, and for that you have to watch the video till end. Buon appetito! How to make the most delicious spaghetti alla carbonara. This authentic recipe is made with just 7 simple ingredients. Ingredients for 4 people: 350 grains spaghetti, 120 grams bacon in cubes or strips, 2 large egg yolks, 50 grains parmesan, 30 grams pecorino plus 20 grams parmesan extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper. Quite simple ingredients, right? You can get notifications of every video we post by clicking the bell icon and the subscribe button so that you can try every recipe. Method of preparation. Step 1. In a large pot, boil the water. The proportion is 1 liter of water for every 100 grams of pasta. Step 2. In a bowl, pour the 2 egg yolks and beat them lightly, adding a few drops of water to make the mixture more fluid. Step 3. Then add the parmesan and a pinch of salt. Step 4. In a non-stick pan, pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add the smoked bacon. The bacon can be diced or, better yet, in strips. It must cook until the white part of the bacon has melted almost all and the bacon is red and crunchy in order to give the pasta a nice crunchiness. Put a handful of coarse salt in the boiling water and throw in the pasta. Prepare a bowl under the colander in order to keep a little cooking water once the pasta has been drained. Step 5. While the pasta is cooking, take 1 or 2 tablespoons of cooking water and pour them into the egg mixture so as to further thin the cream, dissolve any lumps of Parmesan cheese, and gradually increase the temperature of the eggs. Step 6. After about 7 to 8 minutes the pancetta is ready. Set aside a few cubes of bacon for the final decoration. Step 7. Drain the pasta, pour it into the pan with the bacon and wait a couple of minutes for it to cool slightly. If you add the egg mixture when the pasta is still too hot, the eggs will cook and will no longer be creamy. Step 8. Add the egg cream and mix very well. Step 9. Add more grated Parmesan and mix again. If the pasta is not very liquid and creamy, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cooking water and turn the spaghetti again. Step 10. Serve, adding the pepper and garnish with the bacon cubes set aside. Carbonara is one of 4 famous Roman dishes, the other 3 being cacio e pepe, pasta alla griscia, and amatriciana. There is something unheard coming up next, but before we move to that, do let us know your experience of making and tasting the dish in the comment box. It's a recipe that's famous worldwide, yet a true carbonara can be hard to find outside of Italy, and here's why. The addition of cream. Cream is the main offender. There is absolutely no cream in an authentic carbonara recipe, and once you've tasted the real thing, you'll know why. It's so rich and creamy as it is, adding cream dilutes the flavor and makes it unnecessarily claggy and heavy. Using bacon instead of guanciale is another reason for a poor-tasting carbonara, because it doesn't have nearly as much fat and beautiful flavor as guanciale does, giving you a sauce that's lacking in flavor. Other unnecessary additions. An authentic carbonara is made with just pasta, guanciale, eggs, pecorino romano, and black pepper, that's it. Some recipes add onions, garlic and herbs, which completely changes the flavor. That's it for today, guys. Hope you like our videos. Please share it with others and hit like to support us so that we can bring more and more such quick and easy recipes for you. We will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.